this is the most beautiful and secured subdivision here in Santa Maria, Bulacan. Okay, this is the turnover unit of Florence Model Unit. This is the single attached house and lot. Let's get inside to show you what's inside. You can see, pwede kayo rito magkaroon ng pocket garden, this area. And this has 2 carport garage. Kasya dito yung dalawang sasakyan. Tara, let's get inside the house. Here is the third unit. Pwede nyo rin ilagay yung pwede nyo rin ilagay yung sofa nyo. This is the living area. And this is the turnover toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. This is the kitchen. You can also put a hanging cabinet here. You can put a 6-seater dining area, this place. Dito naman, kung gusto niyo naman ng hindi maamoy yung mga niluluto nyo, yung mga tuyo, ganyan. This is the dirty kitchen. Dito sa labas. Pwede nyo pa siyang i-improve. Hanggang dito yung kitchen. Ayan. So, guys, let's go upstairs to show you the bedroom. Stairs, turnover unit. As you can see, kasya dito yung dalawang tao. At pagpaakyat ko yun, hindi kayo magsisiksikan. This is the first bedroom. Pwede, ito kung napapansin nyo, high ceiling. Pwede dito yung mga anak. This is the children's bedroom. Yan. Pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng bed bank dito. Kasya yung dalawang bed bank. Upstairs area. Yan. And this is the master's bedroom. As you can see, marami siyang ventilation, marami siyang lightings. At least, kahit walang aircon, ay mataas ang ceiling. Yan. Meron na rin kami lagayan ng window type aircon. Pero nowadays, gusto na kasi yung split type. And by the way, free po ang split type aircon for this one. Dito naman po yung toilet and bath. Common area siya. Pwede siyang sharing ng 3 bedrooms. As ito yung actually, master's bedroom yan. Pero parang ito yung master's bedroom kasi mas malaki siya. Dito, you can put fire cabinets, walk-in closet. Yan. So, pwede ka pa maglagay dito ng table. You're a working mom or dad. Pwede mo magkaroon ng mini office dito. Tapos dito yung bed. Bed. Yun. And this is the playground area. The back is the clubhouse area.